Hello, bonjour once again. So now we are working on the still on the pronunciation class. So this video is the fifth number video where we are working on AI and EI. So AI and EI also give the same sound as we have worked on ER, ES, EST, E acute accent. Okay. So they both have the AI like A. But with AI and EI, there are something will be new that is very important to learn from when we are talking when we are reading the French language. Okay, so let's get started. So AI, that's I told you is A. So vrai, maison, maison, raisin, raisin, vaincre, vaincre. That's trail, trail, pair, raisonnement. We know ment is more. So raisonnement. Clair. So a clair, clair, fair, say. Got it? So AI is A always. But if it is combination with N, then it's quite little bit change. The sound will become instead of A will be like pa, tra, sa. Got it? If AIN is not there, then will be take as like A. A. Look. Tre, te. Because E accent is there, so will be goes up A, tre, te. A is A that we have learned in our just in the third video. A, B, se. Shen is also A. So Shen. You have how you can use this video when we are working. So before our pronunciation, you try yourself to get your pronunciation. So you will be matched at the same time. Are you on the right way or you have to improve still something more? So this is about AI. Now comes to EI, the second part of this video. AEI will also is like A. So let's have an example. Say ZM. Say ZM. Nash. Yes. Nash. Rain. Pain. Vain. Says. All are going up. A. Says. Geisha. Geisha. Abey. A is A. So, Abey. Way. Might be you are confusing on double L, should be L. So we have already worked on the 14 number video. You will have the pronunciation work of I double L. I told you like each and every video is connected to each and every pronunciations work. So go throughout all the videos. So you will definitely at the end of the video, you will get all the rules regulation of pronunciation that will really going to help you out. So that is peinture, peinture, Q, U is U. Remember in alphabet, U. So peinture. The same way that we did in AIN, that was So AIN is quite same. So san, like will be a kind of A. So sand, we can say like sand, plan, pleinement, franc, right? Franc. So this video we are going to stop from here. The next video we are working on our air, ERE. So please keep in touch and stay tuned. Thank you, over, and don't forget to comment how you like it this. Over.